We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive look at the classic movie posters Inspector Gadget Room Aesthetic Posters by Wang Napao. This product has caught the attention of movie and art enthusiasts alike, especially those who appreciate nostalgic and iconic imagery in their home decor. The poster features artwork inspired by the beloved Inspector Gadget franchise, printed on high-quality canvas material that promises durability and vibrant color reproduction. The canvas is waterproof and moisture-proof, which means it is well-suited for various indoor environments, including bedrooms, living rooms, and even bathrooms. The material's high tensile strength ensures that the poster maintains its structure and appearance over time without easily tearing or warping. One of the standout features of this product is the option for frame style versus unframed. Customers can choose to have their poster delivered rolled up without a frame, which is ideal for those who prefer to customize their framing or want a more flexible approach to hanging the art. Alternatively, the framed version comes with the image mounted on a wooden frame, providing a ready-to-hang solution that enhances the overall aesthetic and protects the edges of the canvas. This versatility appeals to a wide range of buyers, from casual decorators to serious collectors. The size of the poster, 12 by 18 inches, is a popular choice for wall art, fitting comfortably in many spaces without overwhelming the room. It is large enough to showcase the detailed artwork clearly, but compact enough to be incorporated into gallery walls or smaller rooms. The print quality has been praised for its rich colors and fine texture, which bring the classic Inspector Gadget theme to life with a modern touch. The image's clarity and vibrancy make it a focal point in any room, adding personality and a nostalgic vibe. Users have noted that the poster works well in various settings beyond just bedrooms or living rooms. It has been used effectively in guest rooms, meeting rooms, coffee bars, hallways, and even college dormitories. This broad applicability speaks to the design's universal appeal and the quality of the print. The product's lightweight nature, at only 7 ounces, makes it easy to handle and hang without requiring heavy-duty hardware. Customization is another positive aspect of this offering. The seller is open to requests for different sizes and custom designs, allowing customers to personalize their wall art experience. This flexibility is a significant advantage for those who want a unique piece that fits their specific decor style or room dimensions. The ability to send your own pictures or have new designs created adds value and makes this product stand out in the competitive market of movie-themed posters. Despite these strengths, there are a few considerations to keep in mind. Since the unframed posters arrive rolled, some users may find it challenging to flatten the canvas without minor creases initially. This is a common issue with rolled canvas prints and can be resolved with proper handling or framing. Additionally, while the wooden frame option is convenient, it may not suit everyone's taste or existing decor style, so buyers should be sure to select the framing option that best fits their needs. Another point to consider is that there are no extensive customer reviews available directly on the product page at this time. However, similar products in the category of classic movie posters and canvas art have received positive feedback for quality and aesthetic appeal. Based on the materials used and the reputation of the brand Wang Napao for producing durable and visually appealing canvas art, this poster is likely to meet or exceed expectations. In terms of overall impression, the classic movie poster's Inspector Gadget canvas art poster offers a blend of nostalgic charm and modern quality. It is an excellent choice for fans of the Inspector Gadget series who want to bring a piece of that world into their home. The waterproof and moisture-resistant canvas ensures longevity, while the option for framing adds convenience and style. Its moderate size and vibrant print make it a versatile decor piece suitable for many environments. If you own this item or have experience with similar posters from Wang Napao, please leave a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. Your feedback is invaluable in building a community of knowledgeable buyers who appreciate quality wall art. Remember, the link to purchase this poster is in the description below, and using it supports the channel and helps us continue providing detailed and honest reviews. In conclusion, this poster is a solid pick for anyone looking to enhance their living space with a touch of classic cartoon nostalgia combined with durable, high-quality canvas art. Whether you choose the framed or unframed option, the product delivers on color fidelity, texture, and overall aesthetic appeal. It fits well in diverse settings and offers customization options that cater to individual tastes. While minor inconveniences like initial rolling creases might occur, they do not detract significantly from the overall value and enjoyment of the piece. This product is recommended for collectors, fans, and anyone wanting to add a unique and stylish element to their home decor.